Officially out of power! Texas Snowpocalypse. Do you wanna build a snowman? Woke up this morning to an actual winter wonderland. You can't even see the ground anymore. And the sun is shining today. So it's supposed to be sunny, but hella cold. Oh my god. All I can think about is my car. So cold. Oh my god. It's been officially over 24 hours since we've lost power, and it's so cold. They've been putting out like heat shelters and overnight shelters all throughout the area for people who are just really in worse conditions than we are. But I don't know, I wouldn't say this is any better either. Oh my. Do you wanna build a snowman? Help, help. Go sit down. Oh, okay, sure.
Oh, it's too bright.
Wait, it doesn't stick.
It doesn't, yeah.
Oh,
I think I have to melt a little bit more.
really?
Yeah, it needs moisture and stuff, I think.
Me. It doesn't stick. This is what happens when you have a little brother. You just make him do all the work. Go, go, go. Oh my god. So bright. So bright. Oh, there are cars driving.
Wow! It's snowing!
Oh my god, it's so out of focus. It's out of focus. Drinking some Korean cabbage soup to warm myself up for the super cold weather. We've been using this tool. This has been so clutch. We've been boiling water and putting it in here, and it's like something that you can just sleep with like this. This is our only heating system right now. This is so sad.
유자는 필요 없잖아.
Amazing. 그러니까.
너무 진짜 저거야말로.
My dad and my brother braved the snow and went out to our local Korean grocery store to pick up some food because we are currently out of power.
너 알아? 아이들 프로젝트 알아? 너 읽어봤어? 응? 해피? 응? 해피야.
Luckily, we have water and we have those portable Blue Star, I don't know what you call those, but you can find one in every Korean household. Luckily, we have that and water, so we were able to eat something or drink something hot. But other than that, no heater. And it's like 5 degrees, no heater, no lights. Luckily, it's still bright, but we are very concerned about what to do in a couple of hours when it does get to that evening period. It's not supposed to come out anytime soon, and we are expected to deal with it, perhaps possibly until tomorrow. So trying these Korean sun chips, and it's called hot spicy with whole grain.
지금 따뜻하잖아.
그래. 아니 장갑 왜 끼나?
Hot bar.
Hot bar.
This is a spicy one.
햇빛을 먹고 싶어요.
Cheers! My brother made a mini fridge outside because our power is out for the fridge, but he has my favorite Korean drink, milk kiss, and then fruit jellies. We might actually have to get some more, make it bigger, because it's like deeper over here. Like that area over here is like a lot deeper, so. Okay, here goes attempt number 2. We're gonna try to build a snowman that we failed earlier. Oh, it's sticking. It's sticking now. Yay.
I'm thirsting for living water. I need it to live. Thirsting for your living water. I need it to breathe. I'm thirsting for living water. I need it to live. Thirsting for your living water. I need it to breathe. The world once said face your face. You know you could do it this time. But why is it when I face my fears I end up failing and cry? I keep on fighting but something is missing inside. I feel so hollow, so empty.
Yay! Okay, it kind of looks more like a duck, actually. But wear a mask. PSA. It's like, it totally looks like a duck. Even more now. But, ta-da!
I feel like I'm just gonna scratch the paint.
Mission complete! What else to do? What the heck do you do when you have a snowpocalypse with no electricity,
No internet.
no internet? Water's almost running out because of the frozen pipes. What a hot mess. My data worked for like a hot minute this morning for like 2 minutes, so I was able to check on Instagram and I saw this like photo of someone in California like laying on a beach. I was like, must be nice. Must be nice.
That snow was fun though. It's the no internet part that's like.
Snow's fun. Snow day is great if you have internet and you have heat. But this is not the snow day I was expecting. 잘 먹겠습니다. Guys, the power literally came on for about 30 minutes, so I really wanted to wash my hair, so I washed my hair, and we were cooking everything that we can in 30 minutes. What a this is like survival of the fittest. This is very intense. We're hoping that this is like the final sign of everything being turned on officially, but I don't know. My cell service is still not working, so I can't really check on the local news or anything. I have been just calling people because my calls seem to be going through. So I've been calling people and trying to figure out what's the latest news in this county. Apparently today is the coldest day historically in Texas since 40 years ago. It's the coldest day that it's ever been in 40 years. I had great plans today to kick off my birthday, but what I'm concerned about is that we're supposed to get another winter storm tonight, and then it's supposed to sleet, snow and sleet, and it's not supposed to get better until Friday or so. So that's my biggest concern because like everything is so unpredictable. I don't even know. Like I haven't been able to log into work. My text messages are not even going through. I don't even know what to do. My phone's not working. I literally feel like I'm living in the 19th century. It's so bizarre to me. Apparently, if you're under the same power line as like a hospital or like urgent care or a fire station, then your power is good to go. Like, we have a neighbor that lives on like the opposite end of our street, and they haven't even had a power outage this whole time. Whereas people on my street, we are struggling and suffering. So it's so weird, but it's really hitting the residential areas super hard. And Austin, apparently 43% of Austin is without power right now. So if that gives you a good context of what the heck is going on in Texas, yep. There is no way this is Texas, guys. No way. No freaking way. Whew. Oh, it's hella cold. I felt so worthless not doing anything and just staying home all day, so came outside before the sun completely goes down and it gets dark, and I truly have nothing else to do. So I just came out to walk around the park. And there goes my mama. My mama. Oh, so cold. Oh. Hello. Happy birthday to me. Here we go. Oh my. Is this real? I can't believe that we survived without power for like almost an entire week. I like realized so much how much electricity and power just in general impacts our daily routines. It's like you don't realize when you have it and you take everything for granted, but then once it's gone, we've literally been screwed. So, yay! Thankful it's back. Love, love, love. Welcome back. Let there be light, he said.